Hello students, we are going to discuss the second topic of chapter Basic Concept of Chemistry, that is classification of universe. Okay students, so at first we classify universe into two parts, that is matter and energy. Energy divided into only one part, that is only radiation. It means in universe energy are in the form of radiation. And second one, matter. How can we classify matter? Matter is classified in three different categories, that is physical, chemical and biological. Okay students, so first physical. On physical state, matter is classified into five different categories, that is solid, liquid, gas, plasma and colloidal state. Solid, we know very well, solid which have fixed volume and shape size. Liquid, fixed volume, indefinite shape and size. Gas, no fixed shape, size, volume. Plasma, which is highly ionized gases, and colloidal state, in which the particle size are ranges above 100 angstrom to 1000 angstrom. On chemical basis, matter is classified into two different categories, that is pure substance, mixture. On pure substance, element and compound. Element is classified into three categories, that is metal, non-metal and metalloid. Compound, ionic or covalent, or also we can classify compound in two different categories, that is inorganic and organic. Mixture, homogeneous and heterogeneous. Biological classification of matter is living and non-living. Okay students, so first of all our both classification with example. Matter, two types, that is physical classification, chemical, biological. Physical, solid, liquid, gas. Solid, the substance in which fixed volume and having definite shape, for example sugar, iron, gold, wood, etc. Liquid, the substance which possess a definite volume but not definite shape. They take up the shape of the vessel in which they are put, for example water, milk, oil, etc. Gas, neither possess definite volume nor definite shape. This is because they fill up whole vessel in which they are put. Okay students, the example of gases is air, oxygen, hydrogen, etc. Chemically classification of matter is pure and mixture. Pure substances are classified in element and compound. Element, that is made up with same type of atoms like sodium, magnesium, calcium, etc. Compound, two or more than two elements mixed together to form compound like HCl, H2O, CO2. And these are also classified in some categories. Element classified into three categories, that is metal, non-metal and metalloid. Metal having tendency to form cation, non-metal having tendency to form anions, and metalloids between metal and non-metal. Okay students, these are classification of elements. And compounds, the substance containing more than one kind of atom which are combined together in a fixed ratio by weight and which can be decomposed into simpler substances. For example H2O, HCl, HNO3. In H2O, the ratio of hydrogen and oxygen is 2:16 or 1:8 by weight. It is classified into organic, inorganic. Organic compound, those compound which are formed from animal and plant. inorganic compound which form from inorganic substances like earth substrata. Mixture, the substance in which mix together without any fixed ratio, called mixture. There are two different types of mixtures, and mixtures have property of its components. The mixture is separated by simple physical method. These are characteristics of mixture. Homogeneous and heterogeneous, these are two different types of mixture. Homo means same. Okay students, the mixture in which all components are present in uniform is called homogeneous. सेम फेज में रहते हैं जब कोई मिक्सचर, जैसे वाटर और साल्ट मिलने के बाद एक ही फेज दिखाते हैं, वाटर शुगर है, वाटर एल्कोहल है. बट इन केस ऑफ हेट्रोजीनियस मिक्सचर, वाटर विथ सैंड, वाटर विथ आयल, अलग अलग फेजेस हो जाते हैं. हम इसको बोल सकते हैं द मिक्सचर इन विच ऑल कंपोनेंट्स आर प्रेजेंट इन नॉन यूनिफॉर्म इज कॉल्ड heterogeneous mixture. Okay students, these are total classification of universe in which we classify it in matter and energy. Okay students, in next topic we'll learn other topic. Thank you.